Everybody, I did re-sign back up with the Must Be Mine. I just loved last month's box so much, and I got to thinking with the mint mongoose I get silver, so with this one I picked all rose gold this time, so I'm pretty excited. Let's get into this box. The first thing that I'm seeing is, looks like a keychain, almost like a 4-leaf clover. Oh, look at that. Very shiny, very pretty. Okay, and the next thing, oh, this is a bracelet. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, it's got like little chunks of crystals in it, and this is like that bracelet that I got from the first box. If you haven't seen my other unboxings, I will go ahead and link them below. But actually, I thought this was going to be my least favorite, and I really love the style of this bracelet. It dangles, and you just pull it shut like that, and then it dangles. Oh, that's really pretty. I really like that. And the last thing, so I got 3 items, and this is the ring. This looks pretty interesting. Okay, this is a little more fancy than casual, I would say. Look at that. It feels a little awkward, but pretty. So it all matches. I'm pretty excited with this box. I will also leave a link to their website if you're interested. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.